MeghalayaPost.news.
Ka office jong district sports officer DSO Ribhoy district nongpo hakajing tre lang bat ka office jong video Umsning sin RD blog haka arpu pratarik urisau kalapen kut no ya block level chief minister youth engagement program arajar posan kabla long ars ngilanter ha dual mission hall Umsning kane ka program kabla penlong halor kapang empower youth empower Meghalaya bat kabadai kasian kabaningkong bala penlong hapo ka Umsning sin RD blog ya kane ka lempung lasdang haka arpu nyau tarik urisau bala pli dauba Andrew Mertong video Umsning sin RD blog haka jingdon lang ba Bobby El Nongben district sports officer nongpo kong Rida Lendem PTI jongka district sports office bat kiwei kino shimenta hagini ki arsngi jongka jing penisam ladon ka jing ile kai bat jing penisap baper kum ka jing thok poetry bat khana bat airong dur jing tem gitar jing ruai bat shat tunrai quiz competition bat kiwei kisamla kan thei bat shunrang jongka Umsning blong kilei shimenta bat pen iye kisam kibakidon nakini baro nakaliang ka office DSO kan jiat hadun re prangut kisamla ki bapau khman ban mi khman saka district level competition banyele bat kiwei pat ki blong hapo jong Karibhoy district hakasngi pen kutpan u Dr Celestine Lengdo MLA jong ka Umsning constituency ula aiman CME kisamla bat shimenta kumukong san rengkat ka jing don lang u BDO ba Andrew Mertong DSO ba Bobby El Nongben lembat kinong traina ki artali ki office ki khna school bat kino hikai hakabakut jong ka tega lempung kum ka jing aiman CME kino shimenta nakaliang ka office DSO Ribhoy kala samru daki kusnam syakinong job bat ai sanat kerpang syabaro ki balai shimenta hagani ka lempung ka ba arsngi
as I only know that there's the highest peak in the world. Then later, when I joined my classes in class 8 in Auxilium Convent, then I enrolled myself in the NCC. So NCC is a national cadet corps that gives opportunity to many children, many youth, many students of different school and college. So I was introduced on that time, where I joined on 2018 and 2019 I attended one of the camp. That camp was in Nepal itself, here in Pynhap. So I attended that camp, then I get to introduce one of the instructor, that is Ma'am Dolin Karmi. She's also the second woman from Meghalaya to climb Mount Everest on 2016. So since then I remember that I was little and I was listening to her journey. On that time I'll tell you that it was so impossible to listen something very dangerous mountain, because Mount Everest is not something easy to do. I can say that. It's very challenging. You have to really have that strong, physical and mentally strong. So I remember that on that time it was like so impossible for me to go for this Everest and all. But then later, when I joined my college in St. Enquiries College as a second year, so I again enrolled myself in the NCC. And I can say that NCC had given me a lot of opportunity to experience these adventures. And from there, then they were informing me that there will be a selection process for the Everest. So then I joined and continue my selection process. Then I will be sharing more with you.
Poetry writing, 20 paintings, 14 arts and crafts, 14 folk dance, 14 folk songs, 9 talent show performances, 8 sign mela, 13 guitars, 7 reclamation, and quiz with 18 teams. And so 3 sessions were conducted: the ice-breaking session, the passion versus profession session, and the session of interaction with renowned youths were conducted in these 2 days. The Answer Connect program yo sha bodi kita kisah ikon ki performances kita along apa stage wa tunjuru hagime. And to inform you that 68 participants and 2 officials will be selected as a contingent to represent the block at the district level program to be held on midweek of November 2025.
I will crash land. Is it not? Yes or no? If my parachute does not open, I will be crash landing. The parachute that is there strapped at my back has meaning only when it opens up. If it does not open up, it has no meaning at all to be on my back. All the youths who have come to this program, the youth engagement program, if your minds are not open, if you have not made your minds open right from yesterday, I think by the end of this program, you'll go back home sad, wasted your 2 days here, and you have crash landed. Our minds has to be open. Good afternoon, everyone. And I really salute our BDO. I was told the highest number of participants in all the blocks that have conducted the programs, so far highest number of participants is here in Umsning block. My salute to Bobby and his team from the district sports, all the students from different schools, and the teachers who have accompanied. I am absolutely sure that you are a better person today than you were yesterday. You are less shy today than you were yesterday. Yes or not? You are not sure. After spending 2 days here for the youth engagement program, no change? I believe there is a change. I don't think that you can spend 2 days without bringing any change in your attitude and outlook. And for this, I would like to thank our Chief Minister for having the vision to have programs of youth engagements like this. I used to discuss with many of my friends, when we talk about nation building, people think of Parliament and the Lok Sabha. Nation building, rules, regulations, how to run the country, assembly in the state. Nation building is not done only in Parliament and in Assembly. What you do here on the stage for the last 2 days, the debates that you have, the quiz that you have, the leadership qualities that have been inculcated in each one of you, that is also nation building. Nation building is not a factory somewhere. Nation building is the activity that we do every day in our schools, in our colleges, in our interaction with friends and colleagues. Even people who sit in the market selling their wares in Umsning, when they are polite to their customers, they get more sales. When they speak nicely to people who come and buy things from the shops, the number of customers will increase. When it increases, they get more money. And when they have more money, they can send their children to schools, in good schools. When they have good money, they can make good houses. And if each and every family in our villages have good houses, have good schooling, that is nation building.
MeghalayaPost.news.